We are going to do half angle formula now in properties of triangles only. Half angle formula in any triangle ABC, sin A by 2 is under root S minus B into S minus C by BC. Sin B by 2 likewise S minus C into S minus A by CA under root. Sin C by 2 is under root S minus A into S minus B by AB. Cos A by 2 is this, cos B by 2 is this, cos C by 2 is this. I am going to prove, please watch. The first one I am going to do, please see here. We have a formula in multiple submultiple angles. Sin square A by 2 is 1 minus cos A by 2. This is the formula for multiple and submultiple angles. If you want, I can quote the formula here, please see. Sin square theta by 2 is 1 minus cos theta divided by 2. I am proceeding. Sin square A by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos A by 2. I am writing 1 by 2 separate, 1 minus cos A. Same thing it is, please understand. Cos A we have a formula B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. The cosine rule, what we have done just earlier, 1 minus B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC is the formula for cos A. I am proceeding. Sin square A by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Please see carefully, LCM 2BC. I am writing 2BC minus B square minus C square plus A square. Hope you have understood the LCM. 2BC is the LCM here. 2BC minus B square minus C square plus A square. Proceed. I am rearranging this. A square minus B square minus C square plus 2BC divided by 4BC. A square minus B square minus C square plus 2BC divided by 4BC. Again, sin square A by 2 is equal to numerator A square minus, I am rewriting B square plus C square minus 2BC by 4BC. A square minus sin out, common out of the bracket, B square plus C square minus 2BC. And this is A square minus B minus C whole square by 4BC. A square minus B minus C whole square by 4BC. Sin square A by 2 is equal to, this is A square minus B square formula. Formula is here. A square minus B square is A plus B into A minus B. This formula is going to be applied to the numerator. A plus B minus C, that is A plus B. A minus B minus C, that is A minus B, divided by 4BC. Watch carefully. A square minus B minus C whole square, like A square minus B square I have written. Sin square A by 2 is equal to, open all this, A plus B minus C, A minus B plus C by 4BC. In the beginning of this chapter, you have done A plus B minus C is 2 times S minus C. I am writing here. A plus minus B minus C is 2 times S minus C. And A minus B plus C is 2 times S minus B. This has already been done in the beginning of this chapter. While introducing S, we have done A plus B minus C 2 times S minus C, A minus B plus C 2 times S minus B. I am substituting these here. Sin square A by 2 is equal to, this is 2 times S minus C, this is 2 times S minus B by 4BC. Proceed. Sin square A by 2 is equal to 2 to the 4, 4 cancel, S minus C by BC left out. Sin square A by 2 is equal to S minus B into S minus C by BC, or we may write now sin A by 2 is equal to under root S minus B S minus C by BC. The first formula is proved. Sin A by 2 is equal to S minus B into S minus C by BC. Similarly, others can be done. I am writing similarly. Sin A by 2 S minus B S minus C by BC. No A here, please note. So sin B by 2. Similarly, S minus C S minus A by CA. Easy to remember. No B here. Sin C by 2. S minus A into S minus B by AB. So sin C by 2 also is over. I am proceeding for the second part, cos A by 2. We have a formula in multiple submultiple angles. Cos square A by 2 is 1 plus cos A by 2. Same formula, sin square theta by 2, 1 minus cos theta by 2, cos square theta by 2, 1 plus cos theta by 2. I will quote here. Proceed. In the same way, cos square A by 2, this is rewritten as before, 1 by 2, 1 plus cos A, 1 by 2, 1 plus formula for cos A, B square plus C square minus 2BC by minus A square by 2BC. Same formula, B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC, 1 plus B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. Cos square A by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 LCM 2BC as before, 2BC plus B square plus C square minus A square. Rewriting B square plus C square plus 2BC minus A square by 4BC. So simple it is to follow. B square plus C square plus 2BC minus A square by 2BC, and this is again cos square A by 2 is equal to B plus C whole square. The first three terms constitute a perfect square, B plus C whole square minus A square by 4BC. Using the same formula, A square minus B square, A plus B into A minus B, B plus C whole square minus A square, using this formula becomes B plus C plus A, B plus C minus A by 4BC. A square minus B square, B plus C plus A, B plus C minus A is equal to, rewrite all this, A plus B plus C into B plus C minus A, 4BC. Understand? B plus C plus A, I have rewritten A plus B plus C, B plus C minus A, and as I have already said earlier, A plus B plus C is 2S and this is 2 times s minus a by 4bc. 2s 2 times s minus a, so cos square a by 2 is equal to, this 4 will cancel, s into s minus a by bc after cancellation of 4's. Therefore, cos a by 2 becomes s into s minus a by bc under root. Cos a by 2 s into s minus a by bc, similarly cos b by 2. For a we have got a here, please see. And cos c by 2. S into s minus c by ab. This formula also proved cos a by 2, and similarly the others. See some deductions now. We have a formula, area of triangle is equal to half BC sin A. I want to remind you, we have already done this earlier. Please see. ABC, this is B, this is C, this is A, and this is angle A. So, area of triangle half BC sin A. This is angle A. Half BC sin A. If you have done it earlier, I am doing it once again now. Half BC sin A, please watch. 1 by 2 BC sin A, there is a formula 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. In multiple angles, submultiple angles, this is the formula for sin A, 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2, half BC as it is. Cancel this 2 BC. Sin A by 2, you have the formula sin A by 2. Cos A by 2, you have the formula cos A by 2. They are being substituted now. Sin A by 2. S minus B, S minus C by BC under root. S minus B, S minus C by BC under root. Cos A by 2, S into S minus A by BC under root. Now, please watch carefully. This BC cancels, root BC into root BC is BC. So, the BC will go. And rewrite the whole thing. Delta is equal to, write in one radical, S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C under root. This is the well known formula for the area of triangle. S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. We have proved this formula. This is one deduction from half angle formula. Now, in deductions, first deduction we have done, delta is equal to, area of triangle is equal to under root S into S minus B into S minus C. This is Hero's formula for area of triangle. You have done in lower classes so many times. This formula we have proved it by trigonometrical methods now. Delta is equal to under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. See one more thing here. Since delta stands for S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C under root, therefore delta square will represent S into S minus B into S minus C without root. So many times we will be freely using delta square as S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, no under root sign because of square. Proceed. Second deduction, please see. Let us find out tan A by 2. Tan A by 2 is sin A by 2 by cos A by 2. Tan theta, sin theta by cos theta. Okay. Sin A by 2, you have just proved the formula S minus B into S minus C by BC, of course under root. Cos A by 2 also you have proved the formula S into S minus A by BC under root. Sin A by 2, that is the formula. Cos A by 2, this is the formula. Please watch carefully now. Sin tan A by 2 is equal to, I am combining all, S minus B into S minus C by BC. This will get inverted. BC by S into S minus A. Under root remains. Check up the work. Numerator as it is, denominator inverted. Cancellation of these BC, please note. Tan A by 2 is equal to numerator S minus B into S minus C by S into S minus A under root. Proceeding further, please watch. S minus B into S minus C by S into S minus A. This is already there. I am multiplying by, please see carefully, I am multiplying by S into S minus A. Numerator and denominator both. Your under root remains. Multiplying and dividing by same quantity. So tan A by 2 is equal to, combine the numerator fully, S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C under root. Denominator no under root because S into S minus A appears twice, S into S minus A. Understand fully well, S into S minus A, S into S minus A both under root, so it comes out as once S into S minus A and numerator S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, which is delta. So a new and very useful formula has come into your hands. Tan A by 2 is equal to delta by S into S minus A. I am writing this important formula once again. Tan A by 2 is equal to delta by S into S minus A. No under root, please note. Tan B by 2. You can understand similarly delta by S into S minus B. Tan C by 2. Delta by S into S minus C. Tan A by 2 delta by S into S minus B, S minus A. Tan B by 2 delta by S into S minus B. Tan C by 2 delta by S into S minus C. Accordingly, cot A by 2 reciprocal. Cot B by 2 reciprocal. Cot C by 2 reciprocal. Please remember all these formulas, they are very, very useful in solving questions. See one example now. Sigma cot A by 2 S square by delta we are going to prove, please see. left hand side sigma cot A by 2. It's actually cot A by 2 plus cot B by 2 plus cot C by 2, but I am not expanding. I want to make full use of sigma symbol. You can write otherwise cot A by 2, cot B by 2, cot C by 2, which I am not doing this time. Cot A by 2, there is a formula cot A by 2, S into S minus A by delta. Cot A by 2 sigma, same, S into S minus A by delta. I have already told you sigma stands for changing in ABC, not for S or not for delta. So, S by delta remains unaffected by expansion of sigma. Please see S by delta sigma S minus A. Understand very well. S by delta remains unaffected by sigma, sigma S minus A, because that contains A, that is why S minus A has gone together. Open now. Opening sigma S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Because S will not change, ABC will change, sigma is for ABC only. S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, S by delta here. S by delta. Here 1, 2, 3, 3S minus A minus B minus C. I am writing 3S minus A minus B minus C. 3S minus A minus B minus C, that is also a kind of bracket. This one I will talk about it a little later, please see. S by delta 3S minus A minus B minus C is so written. This is 3S minus 2S. S into S, S square by delta. You have proved the RHS, S square by delta. One important thing, please listen carefully. This must have come somewhere in the lower classes, but I am writing once again, please see. This is a kind of bracket. It is not square bracket, it is called braces. I will write here only. Do not say square bracket, we do not say any square here. Braces. There is one more. It is not flower bracket, it is some other name. Please see. There is one more bracket. Parenthesis. Do not call round bracket or circle bracket. This is braces, brackets, parenthesis. There is one more bracket, please see. This is called vinculum. This is also a kind of bracket. See the use of vinculum, others you must be knowing. I am using vinculum, please see. If it is like this, this is also a kind of bracket. So, this will become, for example, A minus 2B plus 2C, multiplying by minus 2, A minus 2B plus 2C. So, this is also a kind of bracket. We will be using it whenever we want to use. Also, the line in A by B that separates numerator from denominator This line is also called vinculum. You must have clear knowledge and don't use wrong terms. Aggregation symbols, as all these are called, braces, brackets, parentheses and vinculum. Vinculum is also this line, sometimes we call this also as vinculum, the line separating numerator from the denominator.